Yo, what's happening, guys? Coming at you from downforsoundshop.com with a new amplifier release. Yes, another Down for Sound amplifier that we are releasing. This probably makes number like 40. We have over 300 different amplifiers. There's nobody else in the car audio game that's doing this, has ever done this, period. If you know somebody that's even coming close to this many amplifiers, please let me know. I'm not talking about people talking about they're going to do something, the people that are actually doing something or have done it, okay? All right, anyway, JP11. Why are we coming out with the JP11? Well, to be honest, we came out with the JP13 and it was too powerful. People were like, this is putting out almost the same amount of power as the JP23 version 1.5. What's the deal? And I'm like, okay, that doesn't make sense to have two of basically the same amplifiers. So we had to come out with the JP11 to back the power down a little bit to get people pretty much right in the middle of a JP8 and a JP23 version 1.5. So we have the JP8 and now the JP11 and the JP23 version 1.5. That's how it's going to go, because the JP13 was too powerful and it was almost the same power as the JP23 version 1.5, which makes no sense to have two different amplifiers doing almost the identical amount of power. So that's the reason why. If you want to check out the new JP11, they're on a great price, introductory price right now of $224, I believe. And they come in 10, maybe 11 different colors. Again, nobody's doing this. And also, while we're talking about that, people will say, oh, the amplifier is a different color when they just put like a little logo on there that's a different color, or a little strip on there. If the whole amplifier is not a different color, it's not a different color. Let's stop with that. Anyway, JP11, 224 bucks. Oh, and also, where's it at? Where's the box to it? And you zoom in on this part right here. Made in Korea. Okay, these are now made in Korea, and for the foreseeable future, the amplifiers that used to be made in China will now be made in Korea. You saw it here first in the JP11 video. If you want to check them out, again, 10 or 11 different colors, 224 bucks. A link will be directly to them in the description. Let me know what you think about it. But again, same treatment as all of our other amplifiers, even the little guys. We got the Tiffany style RCA connections, your different settings right here for the crossover, master and slave outputs, so you can strap these amps together. These have the wired bass knobs with full functions, temperature, voltage, all that different stuff. 0 gauge inputs even on our little guy right here. And of course, beautiful under here. Always have the clear plexiglass on the back. And a high flow fan right here. Easter egg right there saying, make a wish. Might come true. See you in the next one. If you need anything, hit us up, downforsoundshop.com, or give us a call, 702-701-9800. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.